Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Pinterest app not showing idea pins. First of all, make sure to update Pinterest. Go ahead and go to your app store, search for Pinterest, and make sure your older versions make sure to update your app. Older versions hide idea pins. So after you update it, that might give it a fresh start. Then go ahead and restart your app by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen and swiping it away. This clears temporary glitches. Then change your region inside Pinterest settings to United States. Log out and back in. Log out and log back in. Safety tip: do not install third-party idea pin unlock tools. Quick fix: reinstall the app to reload missing features, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.